Someone didn't just hurt you, they tried to break you, shrink you, and steal your future. Not today. They made you feel small and replaceable, like you were easy to erase from a life you built. Not today. Now you replay every word like a life sentence, like one mistake defines your whole story. Not today. This pain is loud, but it doesn't get to write your identity. You choose who you become, now. So answer me right now. Will you stay down and let this pain decide your next chapter? Choose now. Or will you turn it into the most serious comeback of your life, starting from this exact moment, now? If you don't rise, you won't just lose them, you'll lose yourself, your fire and direction. Not today. Before anyone says move on, let me be real. Pain is real and it deserves respect first. Breathe. If you need to cry, cry. If your chest feels heavy, admit it. No shame, no apology needed. Now. If you feel humiliated, say it out loud. Feeling pain isn't weakness, living inside it is. Not today. You're not weak for hurting. You're weak only if you build a home inside that hurt every day. Stop. One night of crying can heal you, but 10 nights replaying the same wound becomes a prison. Stop. This isn't a feel-good speech. This is a reset, a line in the sand that changes everything. Today. Decide this. I'm allowed to hurt, but I am not allowed to stay broken. That's the rule. Today. Tonight you feel it, but tomorrow you take control. Pain is information, not a home. Remember that. After someone breaks you, it's not only sadness, it's the thoughts that attack you non-stop. I know. The replay, the mental movie, the looping scenes that won't stop even when you close your eyes. Stop. What they said, what you should have said, what you ignored, what you tolerated too long. Enough now. And the worst part? You start blaming yourself. I wasn't enough. I should have known. Stop it. You think I'm stupid for trusting. No, you were human. You cared, and your heart was real. Period. You tried, you believed, you showed up. That isn't weakness. That's proof you were genuine. Respect. Now comes the part that separates people who stay stuck from people who evolve and level up. Listen. Pain has two jobs. It can break you or it can build you. The choice is made daily. Choose growth. It's not one big moment. It's small decisions, tiny moves every single day, even when you feel empty. I'm giving you real rules to pull yourself out because your future is valuable and worth fighting for. Rule 1. Stop romanticizing the person who hurt you. Your brain will lie to keep you attached. Stop. It will show you highlights, smiles, jokes, sweet moments, then delete the disrespect. Don't fall for it. Someone who respects you doesn't break you like that. Respect doesn't leave you begging. Remember. Stop editing the story to protect them. If they lied, they lied. If they disrespected you, they did. If you begged for basic love, that was real. Your healing starts when you stop minimizing it. Today. Don't pretend it wasn't that bad. It was, and you survived it. Now act like a survivor. Rise up. Rule 2. Closure isn't a conversation. Closure is a decision you make without their permission. Today. Chasing one more talk, one more apology, one more explanation keeps you bleeding. Stop chasing. Choose. Some people won't give closure because they enjoy being the storm in your head. Don't feed them. Stop. The disrespect was closure. The betrayal was closure. The way they moved on was closure. Accept it. Closure is you saying, I'm done bleeding over someone who doesn't even care. Say it now. Mean it. You don't need their apology to heal. You need your permission to move forward. Take it now. Breathe. Rule 3. Cry if you need to, but don't feed the wound daily. Healing can't grow in obsession. Stop. Most people fail here. They reopen the wound every day and call it love. It's self-harm. Stop now. Checking their profile, rereading messages, stalking the page, each time you hand them your power. Stop. That isn't love, it's self-destruction. It trains your brain to stay addicted to pain. Break it now. Challenge: 7 days, no checking, no searching, no just one look. Protect your brain. Do it now. Each time you resist the urge to check, you build discipline. Discipline becomes freedom. Keep going. Every check tells your brain, they still control me. You don't heal until you take power back. Now. Rule 4. Replace "why did they do this" with "what is this teaching me?" Lessons set you free. Now. Why can trap you for years trying to understand someone who can't understand themselves. Let it go.
The lesson is clearer. What did I ignore, tolerate, excuse because I feared losing them? Write it. This pain isn't here to torture you. It's here to upgrade your standards so you don't repeat it again. So you don't repeat the same story with a different name and a different mask. Pattern ends here, now. Rule 5. Your comeback needs structure, not motivation. Motivation fades, structure stays. Build it. Some days you'll feel strong. Some days you'll feel empty. Structure carries you when feelings don't. Here's the routine. 4 steps that work even when you feel nothing, because discipline saves you. Now. Step 1. Move your body 10 minutes every morning. Motion tells your system we're alive, we move. Walk, stretch, push-ups, anything. Motion calms panic and rebuilds control when your mind feels messy. Step 2. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Don't start your day with noise and weakness. Choose. Silence first. Control first. If you feed your mind chaos at sunrise, you stay weak all day. Stop it. Step 3. Write 1 page for you. Dump the thoughts onto paper so they stop eating you alive. Today. Let the page hold the pain, not your chest. You're not a storage unit for suffering. Release it now. Step 4. 1 win per day. 1 task done, 1 promise kept. Confidence is built, not found. Today. Small wins stack into confidence, and confidence becomes the comeback they never expected. Keep stacking. Confidence isn't a feeling, it's a history of keeping promises to yourself, even when it's hard. Today. Rule 6. Stop explaining your pain to people who don't respect it. Not everyone deserves your story. Some listen to heal you, some listen to judge you, some listen to gossip. Protect your energy. Choose. You don't need a crowd, you need peace. Heal quietly and let your results speak later. Stay focused. Rule 7. Use your anger correctly. Anger can be fuel, just don't aim it at yourself. Use it well. Don't destroy your sleep, health, or future. Aim that fire at growth, discipline, and standards, now. Let anger say never again. Never again will I chase, beg, or accept half love. Repeat it, now. Never again will I ignore red flags because I'm lonely. I'd rather be alone than disrespected. True. Rule 8. Forgiveness is optional. Growth is not. Don't rush forgiveness. Rush becoming stronger. Now. Become the version of you that doesn't attract the same pain again. Healing is change, not denial. Now. Healing isn't pretending it didn't hurt. Healing is becoming stronger because it did. That's real. Now. Rule 9. Stop waiting for life to be fair. Fairness isn't required for your comeback. Decision is. Good people get betrayed. Loyal people get used. Kind people get blamed. Still rise. Still build. Today. Your comeback is built on one thing: decision. You decide pain will not become your identity, period. Rule 10. Make your comeback non-negotiable. No matter what happened, you do not quit on yourself, ever. Not because it's easy, but because your future deserves you fully alive, not half broken. Choose life. If your chest feels tight right now, understand they revealed your power hiding under the pain. Breathe. Only a real heart gets hurt this deeply, and the person who loves deeply can rebuild powerfully. Facts. So starting today, feel it, but set a deadline to rise. Hurt is allowed, staying down is not. Remember. Stop chasing people who don't choose you. Stop begging for closure. Stop giving away your power. Today. Stop checking what they're doing. Stop living in memories. Build routines, discipline, and standards now. What hurt you didn't end you. It exposed what needed to change. Use that truth and rebuild. Start now. It showed what you tolerated and where you were too forgiving, too loyal, too willing to accept less. Don't waste this pain. Use it. Let it be your origin story, the moment your life turns. Today, now. If you need to cry tonight, cry, but tomorrow you move. Slow, messy, still forward. One step, then more. One step today, one step tomorrow, and one day you'll look back and realize they didn't break you, ever. They thought they broke you, but all they did was create the strongest version of you. Stand up, now. Say this, I can cry, but I will not stay down. Say it again until your body believes it, right now. Say this, I got hurt, but I will not become weak. Keep your spine straight and your eyes forward, now. Say this, I lost someone, but I will not lose myself. Breathe, wipe your face, and move forward, now.